The natural world is full of wonders, each more breathtaking than the last. Towering mountains pierce the sky, their peaks reaching for the heavens. And then there are gorges, nature's dramatic masterpieces. Gorges are deep, narrow valleys carved over millennia by the relentless force of water. Imagine standing on the edge of a gorge, feeling the vastness below. How are these incredible gorges formed? What processes shape them? Join us on a journey through these natural wonders. People often use the terms gorge and canyon interchangeably, thinking they are the same. But there is a subtle difference that sets them apart. Both gorges and canyons are deep, narrow valleys with steep sides, often breathtaking in their beauty. The key difference lies in their scale and formation, which can be quite distinct. Gorges are generally smaller than canyons, often more intimate and less expansive. They are often formed by the erosive power of rivers, which carve their way through the landscape. The river cuts down through the rock, gradually carving a deeper and deeper channel over time. Canyons, on the other hand, are usually much larger, often spanning vast areas. They are often formed by a combination of factors, making their formation more complex. These factors include tectonic uplift, which raises the land, and erosion by rivers, which cuts through it. The Grand Canyon is a prime example of a canyon formed by these processes, showcasing the power of nature. So, while all gorges are deep, narrow valleys, not all such valleys are gorges. The distinction is important. The scale and the specific geological processes involved help us distinguish between these two impressive formations, each telling a unique story of the Earth's dynamic history. Water is one of the most powerful forces on Earth. It may seem harmless enough in small quantities, but over time it can carve through solid rock. This process, called erosion, is key to gorge formation. Rivers play a vital role. As rivers flow, they carry sediment and debris. This acts like sandpaper, grinding away at the riverbed. Over thousands of years, this constant erosion carves a channel into the rock. The steeper the gradient of the river, the faster it flows. The faster it flows, the more erosive power it has. This is why gorges are often found in areas with mountainous or hilly terrain. The process of erosion is slow and gradual, but over geological time it can create truly spectacular results, carving deep gorges into the landscape. Section 4. A symphony of forces. Weathering's role in shaping gorges. Water erosion is not the only force shaping gorges. Weathering also plays a crucial role. Weathering is the breakdown of rocks, soil, and minerals through contact with the Earth's atmosphere. Sunlight, rain, frost, and even plant growth all contribute to weathering. Sunlight can cause rocks to expand and contract, leading to cracks. Rainwater can be slightly acidic, slowly dissolving certain types of rock. Frost can cause cracks to widen, and plant roots can grow into crevices, putting pressure on the rock. Weathering weakens the rock, making it more susceptible to erosion by water. The combination of these forces, working together over time, sculpts the dramatic cliffs and steep walls that characterize gorges. Section 5. Earth's upheaval, tectonic uplift, and gorge formation. While erosion and weathering are essential for shaping gorges, they often work in tandem with another powerful force, tectonic uplift. The Earth's crust is not static, it is made up of massive plates that are constantly moving and shifting. When these plates collide, they can push up the land, creating mountains and plateaus. This uplift creates steeper gradients for rivers. As we've learned, steeper gradients mean faster flowing rivers with greater erosive power. Tectonic uplift can also expose different layers of rock. Some rock layers are harder and more resistant to erosion than others. This difference in resistance can lead to the formation of the dramatic cliffs and drops that characterize gorges. Section 6. Sculpted by ice, the majestic world of glacial gorges. Not all gorges are formed by rivers alone. Some of the most impressive gorges were carved by ancient glaciers. These rivers of ice are incredibly powerful agents of natural erosion. During ice ages, glaciers covered vast areas of the Earth's surface. As they moved, they carved deep valleys into the ancient landscape. These valleys are often U-shaped, with steep sides and a wide, flat bottom. Glacial gorges can be distinguished from river-formed gorges by their unique shape. River-formed gorges are typically V-shaped in appearance. Glacial gorges, on the other hand, have that characteristic U-shape. Section 7. Tremendous trenches, famous gorges and their unique histories. All around the world there are awe-inspiring gorges, each with its own unique story to tell. These natural wonders are formed over millions of years through the relentless forces of erosion, weathering and tectonic activity. They stand as magnificent testaments to the power and beauty of nature. The Grand Canyon, while technically a canyon, is a prime example of the power of erosion and tectonic uplift. This iconic landmark stretches 277 miles long, up to 18 miles wide, and attains a depth of over a mile. It offers a breathtaking view of geological history with rock layers that date back billions of years. Over millions of years, the Colorado River has carved this immense chasm, exposing layer upon layer of colorful rock. The river continues to shape the canyon, creating a dynamic and ever-changing landscape that attracts millions of visitors each year. The three gorges in China, carved by the Yangtze River, are another breathtaking example. These gorges stretch for about 120 miles and are known for their dramatic scenery, steep cliffs and deep valleys. They have been a source of inspiration for poets and artists for centuries. These gorges are renowned for their beauty and the engineering marvel of the Three Gorges Dam. The dam, one of the largest in the world, has significantly altered the landscape, creating a vast reservoir and providing hydroelectric power to millions. In the United States, the Black Canyon of the Gunnison National Park boasts some of the steepest cliffs and darkest rock in North America. The canyon is so narrow and deep that parts of it receive only 33 minutes of sunlight a day, giving it an eerie and mysterious atmosphere. Its narrow, winding passage and sheer drops make it a truly awe-inspiring sight. The rugged terrain and dramatic vistas offer a challenging yet rewarding experience for hikers and adventurers. These are just a few examples of the many incredible gorges found around the world. Each one is unique, shaped by the specific geological and climatic conditions of its location. Each gorge is a testament to the power of geological forces over time. They are formed through a combination of processes including river erosion, glacial activity and tectonic movements, which together create these stunning natural formations. They are reminders of the vastness of geological time and the ever-changing nature of our planet. As we explore these magnificent gorges, we gain a deeper appreciation for the natural forces that have shaped our world and continue to do so.